Hello, students. Let us start a new chapter Human Development. Chapter 19 Human Development. So, introduction part. Change is a rule of life. As you know, an infant, that is a small child, he grows slowly into an adult. Otherwise, another example we can see how the primitive man in from Stone Age developed so much that today he is in a complicated social arrangement. So social system and economic systems, they have developed everywhere. What is economic? So it keeps the record of income, production, consumption, profit, loss. Like that only, what is human development? So it is related with physical and mental well-being of a person. We can see in case of human development, every country is having a different quality of life of people. Not only between two countries, if we see two regions of a same state, there also we can see different development in human beings. Not only between two countries, between two regions of the country also there are differences in human development. So what is requirement? What is the main thing for the development of human? So the main thing is that food should be provided, good quality food, clothing and shelter. Not only these three things, but also education is important, health is important, entertainment is important. These all factors will lead to a good quality of human. So in this chapter we are talking about the same thing. What is human development? Meaning of human development. Human development word we have seen in many places, like in media, political leaders also talk about it. Human development is a main thing. So what is exact definition? So human development, it is used for expansion of human capacity. Means whatever ability we are having, if we are improved in that ability, if we develop more in that ability, that is our capacity is improving, then it is human development. Prevalences of preference, we are given so many preferences, we have to select. This means the development is taking place, development of freedom and human right. So human development, it is expansion of human capability, that is capacity in us. For example, a child wanted to go in which field in future life, so he should have lot of preferences, choices. If he is not having the choice, means there the human development is not taking place. But if a lot of choices are there, preferences are there, this means the human development is taking place, development of freedom and human right. So what is a definition given by UNDP, United Nations Development Program? Very important definition. Many times the question is asked like that only, ki define human development according to UNDP. If short note on human development is asked, then you have to write all the points. So what UNDP says about human development? So according to UNDP, human development is a process of extending human aspiration, that is needs, and essential subsistence. What is essential subsistence? Food, clothing, shelter, education, health. So it is a process where there is a development in human needs. If our needs are not developed, this means there is no human development, but there is a human aspiration, and whatever the essential requirement is there for our subsistence, if that is a process of human development. So in human development, who is important? Man. He is a man-centered assist in the direction of development. What is the objective of human development? It is to create same condition for everybody's life. Each and everybody, if you are having a talent, means you should be given the same you should be given the same you should be given the same condition. It is, if the five peoples are there and they all are having a talent, but condition is different for all the five, this means the human development is not taking place. So objective of human development is a very continuous process. It is not easy to develop easily the same conditions for everybody's life. So why to create same conditions? So that the people will live the creative life. Earlier human development, it was only with economic development. It was said that if we wanted to do human development, so do economic development. Economic development means we know increase in the national income. But now the human development is a very wide process. It doesn't include only the national income and per capita income. Human development is a long process. If a question is asked, only economic development can lead to the human development, the answer is wrong. Human development is a wide process. Not only economic development, physical development, emotional development, overall development is required for human development. Initially, all the nations were just increasing their national income and per capita income. But if there is no change in the lifestyle of the people, quality of the people, then how can we say that human development is taking place? So, human development can be achieved only by economic development. This statement is wrong. Human development is not only related to income but how to use income. For example, if you are in a region where you are getting a very good salary, but you cannot use that salary because there is not a good quality of food available, transportation and entertainment, education, then what is the use of that money? So in this way we can say that economic development alone cannot bring human development. Human development is not only related to income, but it is how to use the income. So, what are the pillars of human development? There are four important pillars: equality, stability, production, and empowerment. Equal opportunity to all, stability means ups and downs should be not be there, proper production should be done, and empowerment should be done. Empowerment means like women empowerment, children empowerment, like this. So, at last, what is human development? It is to get opportunity so that we can live a successful life, we can live a creative life according to our taste. Creative life means what you dream to become, you can do. If it is possible, this means human development is taking place. So, human development means ability of human beings so that he can live successful and creative life. Next, human development means we should get equality, stability, equal opportunity in all the field. Human development means where a man is living healthy, he is fine, he is fit, he is living for a long time. This means human development is taking place. Human development means acquiring knowledge through whatever information is available and education. Getting opportunity for monetary benefit to earn money, we are getting lot of opportunity. This means the human development is taking place. Natural resources, whatever is there, it should be used for our living standard. Achieving qualitative lifestyle, removal of squatter and improvement, that is dirty slums areas are there which are creating pollution. Such squatter should not be there. Because of that only, again the disease may occur. So removal of squatter and improvement of health, obtaining personal security, social security, wherever you are living you have a freedom, utilizing human rights, obtaining individual and social security. If all these things are there, this means human development is taking place. So human development includes peace, economic, social, political and cultural field. But we can see why the human development is not taken place. What is the reason? A question can be asked why the human development index is low in some countries. Yeah, what is the reason why the human development is not taking place? So the answer is here: due to the indifferences, Many people are not interested in making change. Some people are still behind for the change. Low aspiration. If you have low aspiration, low target, then we cannot make improvement. Main illiteracy, illiterate peoples. Lack of entrepreneurship. We are always thinking that we should work under someone, we will get salary, that's enough. But we are not having the quality of leadership. Suspicious, for everything there is a doubt. Superstition, antiqueness. Antiqueness separate from everyone. Orthodox feeling, traditional feeling, not using the natural resources in proper way. If these things are there in a country, then such a country can never develop. A human development will not take place in such a country. So for today it is enough. Thank you.